The letters of the word endeavor are arranged in all possible ways. The number of arrangements when A and V are not together are. Now, let's count the total number of alphabets. The total number of alphabets are 8. Out of that, we have AV. So let's keep AV aside and let's arrange the remaining six alphabets. The six remaining alphabets are E, N, D, E, O, R. Now, these six alphabets can be arranged in 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial ways. Because E is repeated 2 times, we divide it by 2 factorial. Now, due to these 6 alphabets, we have 6 positions, we can say, where the condition gets satisfied that A and V are not together. So we have 7 dashes created or 7 positions created due to these 6 alphabets where A and V can be arranged. So 7P and A and V together, there are 2 alphabets. So therefore 7P2. So this will be our answer. So let's solve this. 6 factorial, that is 720 divided by 2 into 7 into 6. Solving this, we get the answer as 15120. Hence, answer will be option B.